Every so often I come across a little gem that's good enough to make its way into my camera bag, and we have one right here, the Sokani X21 LED video light. If you need a small and compact video light to carry with your gear, then this could be exactly what you need. Packaged with a nice soft carry case in one pocket, we find the LED video light itself. At only 10mm thick and 100mm on its longest side, it's a nice compact size, and at only 100 grams it's light too, even though it's constructed of metal rather than the cheap plastic you'll find on other such lights. On the front we find two diffusers which we can remove to reveal the 21 LEDs, providing a 5600K colour temperature or 3200 when used with the appropriate diffuser. Talking of diffusers, two are supplied, complete with magnets at each corner which snap into the top of the main unit nice and easy. Perfectly positioned every time. 12 colour gels are also included in the package for altering the colour depending upon your shooting scenario. Anyway, on the rear, alongside some branding, we find a small OLED display screen, and a 2-second press of the power button located on the side of the device switches it on, displaying battery capacity as well as brightness level. Talking of battery, inside we have 1600 mAh of power, providing around an hour of constant usage at the full brightness, which is pretty impressive considering its size. This is charged through a micro USB port just under the power button, with a cable being supplied within the package. With the unit powered on, another short press of the power button illuminates those 21 LEDs, while the plus and minus buttons across the top can be used to increase or decrease the light intensity. Quick presses providing small increments, while keeping the button pressed results in 10% increments. With a 120-degree angle beam, the light is consistent and pretty even across the range. Obviously the results will vary depending upon the camera used, but I had no issues while testing alongside a small GoPro as well as with a larger DSLR. At any time the light can be switched off with a quick press of the power button, or press the same button for 2 seconds to power the unit off completely. Simple. Finally, across the bottom we find a standard 1/4" 20 thread which is slightly offset from the center, used for mounting the device above your camera, with a universal cold shoe mount also being included in the package too. It really is a complete video light set with everything you could need included in the one neat carry pouch. With ample light, a nice, simple, clean and lightweight design, and a neat magnetic diffuser attachment system, this is a great compact video light. At around $50, it's reasonably priced too. It's certainly made its way into my camera bag and comes highly recommended.